In this video, I'll show you how to display your Stripe balance in a dashboard. If you want to show available funds, pending funds, or account balance inside your own admin panel, you can do this by connecting your dashboard to the Stripe API and retrieving the balance data securely. First, open your Stripe account and make sure your business is properly set up. Before displaying any balance information, you need access to your Stripe secret API key. This key allows your backend to communicate with Stripe and request account data, including your current balance. Next, go to your Stripe dashboard and open the Developers section. From there, click on API keys. You'll see your publishable key and your secret key. The publishable key can be used on the front end, but the secret key must stay private and should only be used on your backend server. Now, create a backend endpoint in your application. This endpoint will be responsible for calling Stripe and retrieving the balance information. You should never call Stripe's balance API directly from the front end because that would expose your secret key and create a serious security risk. Inside your backend, install and configure the official Stripe SDK for your programming language. For example, if you're using Node.js, you can install the Stripe package and initialize it with your secret key. After that, use the balance retrieve method to get the current balance from your Stripe account. When Stripe returns the balance data, you'll usually see different sections like available balance and pending balance. Available balance means funds that are ready to be paid out or used, while pending balance means payments that were received but are still being processed by Stripe. Next, send only the information you need from your backend to your front-end dashboard. For example, you can return the currency, available amount, and pending amount. Make sure you format the amounts correctly because Stripe usually returns money in the smallest currency unit, such as cents for USD. After that, open your dashboard front end and create a balance card or balance section. This can show something simple like available balance, pending balance, and currency. Once the front end calls your backend endpoint, the Stripe balance will appear directly inside your dashboard. You can also add loading states and error messages to make the dashboard feel more professional. For example, if the Stripe API request fails, show a message like unable to load balance right now instead of leaving the section blank. If you want the balance to stay updated, you can refresh the data when the dashboard loads or create a refresh button that lets the user manually reload the balance. For most dashboards, this is enough. You don't need to constantly request Stripe data every second. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to display your Stripe balance in a dashboard. The key idea is simple. Keep your Stripe secret key on the back end, retrieve the balance securely through the Stripe API, and then display only the necessary balance data inside your front-end dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Stripe, payment, and web development tutorials.